In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the differences between amplified and unamplified LVDTs, two common sensor types used for measuring linear position. Unamplified LVDTs, also known as AC LVDTs, produce a low-voltage AC signal that varies with core position. To work properly, they need an external signal conditioner, which supplies the excitation signal, usually a sine wave, and converts the output into a usable signal like 0 to 10 volts, plus or minus 10 volts, or 4 to 20 milliamps. Unamplified LVDTs are a great choice for demanding environments. Since there are no internal electronics, they hold up well to high temperatures, shock, and vibration. You'll often find them in heavy industrial settings, power plants, and aerospace applications. Anywhere long-term reliability is a must. Additionally, since they don't have internal electronics, they can be made with a smaller diameter and more compact case, so they're suitable for applications with tight spaces. Amplified LVDTs, also called DC LVDTs, include built-in electronics that handle signal conditioning internally. They take in DC power and output a high-level analog signal directly, eliminating the need for a separate signal conditioner. DC LVDTs are simpler to install and integrate, especially in systems with PLCs or data acquisition equipment. However, amplified LVDTs typically aren't as rugged as their AC counterparts, especially when it comes to extreme temperatures or environments with a high vibration or shock. So which should you choose? Go with an AC LVDT if you need maximum durability and plan to use a separate signal conditioner. Choose a DC LVDT if you're looking for simplicity, fast setup, and easy integration with your controls. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the bell to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. For additional pricing and technical questions, visit us at hgsind.com. Harold G. Schaevitz Industries, performance and reliability is our business.